Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, girl. I'm Jasmine Marie. If you guys are new, welcome. My earring does not want to stay in my ear. So I was feeling a little bored, you know, with this quarantine. So I wanted to do a little quarantine makeup. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and let's just jump into it because y'all, I was looking crazy. I needed to get it together really quick. So let's just jump into the video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Hey babies, welcome back. So I am going to start. First of all, I look crazy. I was just sitting around the house and girl, I was like, get up and get cute because you just need to. So I like to start off with my brows first whenever I'm doing my makeup, and I'm using the Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in dark brown. For some reason, this pencil seems harder to work with. Like, it just seems like it's not as smooth. You guys probably can't tell, but yeah, I just use that on my brows. It's one of my favorite pencils. It's actually my favorite pencil. And I'm going to clean up my brows with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 19. I need to pick up a new concealer. I've been using the same ones here lately. I really love this one though, and I like to take a fluffier brush. This one's a Luxie brush, and I like to blend that concealer out all around my brows because you don't want a halo brow. And I forgot to put my lip gloss on, y'all. I don't want dry lips and none of that when I'm doing my makeup. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty primer to prime my skin. But first, y'all, I had to put some Germ-X on because I was like, what did I touch? I couldn't remember. So I tried out the new Wet n Wild sponge, and it's actually really good, you guys. I actually really enjoy it. I don't remember how much it was, but I'll have it in the description box. And I'm applying my L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. Just look at that coverage. I love this foundation. It's one of my favorites as well. So I'm just going to blend this thing out, y'all. And y'all know normally I do my eyes first, but I really liked doing my foundation application first this time. So yeah, I switched it up a little bit. Switch it up one time. Today I decided to use the L'Oreal Full Wear Coverage Concealer from L'Oreal as well. And although lately I have been applying my concealer underneath my foundation, for this look I just went ahead and did my normal routine. I feel like when I apply it under my foundation, it's a little bit more natural. Still gives me the same effect, but for me it's just not as cakey looking, if that makes sense. And it's not that I look cakey with doing it this way. It's just I have a more natural look the other way. So yeah, I'm just putting the concealer where I would always put it. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me, I think it's Coconut or Toffee, the shade, to contour or warm up my face a little bit. And girl, don't worry, because it's gonna look a little crazy at first, but I like using foundation for this part because I can go in and blend and fix any like mistakes or, you know, all of that stuff. So it's gonna look crazy, but just wait, girl, wait. So see, now that I've applied it, I'm taking my same beauty sponge and just going over those areas to blend it in my face seamlessly, flawlessly, girl. See, you just gotta work with it and boom. So I wanted a bronzy look for tonight. So I'm taking the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder and I'm just lightly dusting under my eyes. I'm not baking or anything because I just want I don't want anything too heavy. I just want kind of like a, you know, a nice little glow, nothing too matte. So I just like dusting this all over. I used to not like this powder, but actually come to really like it. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and dusting it all over my face. And then I'm going to take the Black Radiance contour palette and I'm taking that middle shade. This is their darkest palette, and I'm taking the middle shade and I'm going to warm up my face. So for this, I like to lightly hold on to my brush at the end of the brush and just flick it up until it just like, I just get a tan, baby. Like, yes, bronze me up. Moving on to eyes, you guys are gonna be so surprised at how easy this smoky bronze, you know, situation is to do. So I watched a Emery's video the other day where she was getting her makeup done And they used a brown or a deeper concealer before they applied their shadow, and that is just the best trick ever. I don't know why I didn't think of that. It just makes it so much easier. I have the base that I already need, and I'm going to take the darkest shade in that Black Radiance contour palette to deepen up my lid a little bit. I didn't want anything super smoky, obviously. I just wanted, you know, something that's gonna look bronze and warm. So doing this trick was super easy, and it took like 5 seconds. So I'm just packing that onto my lid, and then I'm going to, you know, give y'all a little singing session. So I want to line my eyelid a little bit. I didn't have a brown liner. I need to purchase some. So I'm going to go in with a black liner, and this one was just the one that I grabbed. I don't know why I grabbed it. This is from Kaja Beauty, and I'm just barely putting any black line really close to my lash line, and I'm going to take brown shadow, the same one from that contour palette, and smoke it out. Okay, so now that I have on my lashes, I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line with the same brown. You guys, like, this look requires one eyeshadow, seriously, it's so easy. So I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line, and then, yeah, what's next? Okay, I couldn't remember what I was about to do. So I'm taking that lighter contour shade that I use on my cheeks, and I'm just going to blow the bottom lash line out, and that's just going to give me a nice effect. I really like that. So yeah, that's basically it for the eyes. And next, I'm taking After Sex Glow by Wet n Wild, their blush and highlighter duo palette, and I'm just going to highlight my cheeks. In person, this is beautiful. It's not really showing its true quality on my camera, but yeah, it's really bomb, you guys. So I'm just going to highlight in all the places that I would normally highlight in, and yeah, then I'm going to go in and set my face. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Love this stuff. I used to not, but I do. And then I'm going to take Wet n Wild's lipstick in the color Never Nude. I have a whole video with the swatches and everything from their new Mega Last line, so check it out. I will have it in the description box below. And then I'm going to take Morphe's Flower Crown over top, and that's it, girl. That's it.
All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I really love the way that this came out. I don't know, I think bronzy makeup is just my thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me, and I'm about to go take some pictures for Instagram. If you guys are not following me over there, head over, pause the video, subscribe to my channel, and head over to Instagram. My name will be here at It's Jazz Marie with 2 S's and 2 E's. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.